Welcome again to Android. Yeah, in today's video, I'm gonna show you awesome tricks that if you add it in your story, Instagram story, uh, it will be awesome. It will be bomb. It will attract all of your followers and um, your subscribers. No, not subscribers, only followers. Sorry guys. So without much talking, let's dive in. If you want to add a new Instagram story from your camera or from your gallery, let's take a photo from our gallery, like this photo. I'm gonna make a zoom it till it cover all the screen of my phone, and it looks like this photo. I just talk the photo, and it is so simple. So I'm gonna do a trick. Go to GIFs or GIFs, GIFs, and search for Cafe Zim. Wait a bit. Let load all these GIFs or GIFs. Yes, look at this. It looks awesome, and if you share this photo, it will be hit. Believe me. Let's try another picture like this picture. Wait a bit. This picture. I'm gonna zoom it till it looks that I took the photo, and just go to GIFs and search for Cafe Zim. Let's take this photo. Yeah, look, it looks like it is your photo, your story, and it looks awesome. You can change it. Like, let's take this one. It suits. Remove this. In Look at this. It looks amazing. Just try it out, guys. This is the cafe photo. If you want to share any coffee photo, so just take a screenshot or take any photo, grab it on your Instagram story, and search in the GIFs for Cafe Zim, and you will find out a lot of Cafe Zim. And look at this. Awesome. Just take any photo and do it. Another trick, guys, if you'd like to have yeah, if you'd like to have this photo, do the same trick. Let's grab this one. Look, nobody gonna know or find out that trick until he or she watches this video. Yeah, this is a secret, guys. In another trick, without coffees, let's take a photo from this. This is the photo I'd like to share. It is so awesome, so simple. I want to catch someone's eyes, so go to GIFs again. In And let's search for in the GIFs or GIPHs and GIFs, and we will find out, or we will search in the search box, search bar, for Fran Solo. Wait a bit. This is the GIFs or the GIFs that attract someone's what's going on. In Let's take this one. Wait a bit. Look, it looks awesome. You can grab a mouth also. Oops, don't worry. Yeah, it looks amazing. Just try it out in another picture. Let's done go. like this picture. In let's take some gifs, another gifs like yeah, and you can grab, yes, you can delete it also, only legs is enough. Yeah, and if you'd like to have another gifs, search for spray. Yeah, search for spray or spray. You'd like you'd find this one in the yeah, this one or this one. Let's take this one, Allegheny, make it more bigger in, just do like this, make it fit to the spray. Yes, it looks awesome. This is the new trick. You can delete this one if you don't like to have it. And this is the photo. You can delete this one and take another one like this. And I'll again. Yes, look, it looks awesome, and the picture is so attractive and simple, and you'd love it. You'd love it if you do it by yourself. And let's take another picture like this picture again, full screen gifs, and let's type Fran Solo. Let's take this photo. Look, it looks awesome. Try all of these tricks, guys. Make your Instagram stories more attractive, more eye-catchy, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will find out another tricks and more tricks that make your life and your social media tricks more attractive. And take a picture of this girl, for example, in type anything like I like to have you, for example, and I want this. It looks so simple, and you can share it as simple as it is, as it is. Sorry. So I'd like to have more tricks on this, so I'm gonna change the font and animate the font. Click here, animate the font, and it looks like this. Another one, I'd like to have emoji, so I'm gonna take this emoji. In animated text, animate again. Yes, look. Wait a bit. Yes, this one is